Hello and welcome back to Grow Your YouTube Channel, where we help you grow your YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting off or if you have thousands of subscribers, we're here to help you. All about channel growth, tips and tricks, getting you monetized quickly, reaching more organic viewers, as well as the best and expert YouTube advice. So let's dive right into it. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Should be somewhere around here if you're watching this video. Actually, I don't really know where it is in comparison to what you're watching, but make sure to hit it so you stay up to date with all our upcoming videos that will help you get your YouTube channel out there. So let's dive right into it now. Playlists. What are playlists? Why are they important? So let's go over to my playlists. What do I have playlists? Let's say I have liked videos right here. That's going to be an automatic playlist, and it's always going to be private unless you want to make it unprivate. That's just to basically, for you, in case you want to go back and look at, some of your recently liked videos in case you liked something but you couldn't remember the name of it. Boom, that's there for you. So now the important part, why is it important to create your own playlists for your videos? Well, two reasons. One is because you can promote a certain playlist at the end of one of your videos. So when you're creating a video, your end video could actually feature a playlist that if one of your viewers happens to click on, it'll go through all of your videos on that playlist if they keep it playing. So for example, this is Grow Your YouTube Channel. This is just one of my automatic playlists, but there's 12 videos in here. And after this one, there should be 13. So if I were to put this at the end of one of my videos, and someone were to click on it, even if, they weren't interested in all of them, at least they'll be able to see all the videos that I have in this category. Now, the other reason why it's important is because certain people are going to be on your channel for something specific. So going back to my sports reference, if you are running like a sports highlights, channel and you want to reach viewers of all sports, that's going to be hard. For me, example, I'm a basketball and a football fan primarily, baseball here and there, but I couldn't really go out and watch soccer highlights that much. So you're going to have different sets of, demographics out there for people like me who like certain sports but don't really care to see others. So if you have a mix of all sports together, it might not work that well. So you should always have playlists designed specifically for subgenres of whatever your channel is about. So let's just pretend, you have a sports channel. You'd have a playlist dedicated to basketball, one to football, one to soccer, one to college sports maybe. And the reason you want to have playlists is because it will help the viewer. It'll keep you organized, and then B, it'll help the viewer get an idea of, what they'd want to even keep on, repeat. Because if you have a playlist, they can go through all of your videos. Again, when they click on your playlist, it will go to all of your videos on that playlist. Sorry if something played right there, but yeah. So if you go to the next video, you can see that the next one is going to be my second video, how to start your first YouTube channel. So if we do that, let me mute that, and then the third one, and they can go through every single one of these videos. And that's why it's essential to have playlists, because the more views you get, the better YouTube will rank your channel and your videos as well. Even your playlists as well. YouTube can promote any content of yours as long as it is getting dedicated viewers and people are sticking around till the end of the video. So with playlists, it's also great because not only are, most of the time will they be willing to watch until the end, but if they just leave it on, then it'll automatically go to the next video. So that's why it's essential to have playlists. One last thing. So make sure that you have a good amount of playlists as well. You don't just want a couple. You want to have, so for me, I have logo design. I have search engine optimization, improving your YouTube content. That one's kind of vague. That might include a lot of my videos, including this one as well. Getting your channel started, so stuff for beginners, as in search engine optimization, that might be a little bit different because that's something people get into a little bit later on if they're just starting off with YouTube. So basically what all this does is it creates a nice layout for your audience. so that they can keep coming back and watching other videos of yours instead. And here's the important part. Instead of going to some random person's video, they will stay on yours if they click on your playlist, because it's not anyone else's playlist, it is yours. Because if you're just looking up a random video of mine on, in the search bar up here, if you just search for one of my videos, played it, it might play one of my videos next, but then again, it might not. So it might go to someone else's. So they might venture off into some other YouTube channel. You want to keep the viewer on your channel. You want to keep them seeing all your content, all your videos. So that's why playlists are very essential. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos that could help you grow your YouTube channel to, peaks that you never thought was possible. And thanks for sticking around with me till the end. If you made it this far, peace out.